Hi friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar. Today topic is automation testing. Automation testing trends and market 2020 and Selenium certificate course information details.
Automation testing. Automation testing trends for 2020. Automation testing market. Quality assurance QA is at the point of inflection, and it is an exciting time to be in the field of QA as advanced digital technologies are influencing QA practices. According to a press release by Gartner, the encouraging part is that IT and automation will play a major role in the transformation, as the IT industry will spend close to $3.87 trillion in 2020. Automation testing market. The integration of advanced technologies, such as AI, diet, and devotees, into industrial processes, also promotes enterprises to opt for automation. Moreover, automation of the business process also helps enterprises to enhance their ROI and shorten the product life cycle. Automation testing market. Automation testing market size is predicted to grow exponentially in the coming years, driven by increasing automation within industry verticals. Organizations are swiftly automating their business processes to reduce the OPEX and CAPEX and increase operational efficiency. Automation testing trends. Selenium 4 will be at the center stage of automation testing. Codeless automation testing to rise again in popularity. Test automation frameworks to enable testing at multiple tiers. Agile and test automation will go hand in hand. Automation testing trends. KOPS to be adopted at a wider scale. Distributed cloud for cross-browser testing to become a lifeline. AI and milliliters will be at the forefront of automation testing. Hyper-automation to be used extensively. Automation testing trends. Auto-scaling CI/CD runners to support parallel testing. More programming languages to emerge for test automation. Effortless maintenance of test automation scripts. Types of automation testing. There are three important types of automation testing. Automated unit tests. These are designed to test software code. It searches for bugs, script errors, and other issues with the written code. Automated web service and API tests. These tests allow software to communicate with other software applications in order to test for functionality, compliance, and security. Automated GUI tests. These tests look at how software performs on the surface for users, how it looks and feels. Codeless automation tools. Project_management_iteration. Project_management_iteration. Certified Selenium Engineer. Prerequisites. Basic knowledge of Eclipse is recommended. Basic knowledge of core Java is mandatory. Refer to Java knowledge prerequisites at the end of this document. Exam guidelines. 40 multiple choice questions, 60 minutes, no negative marking, online or paper-based. 65% required to pass. 26/40. Selenium Syllabus. What is Selenium? Programming language prerequisites. Core Java programming basics. Web UI automation. Introduction to Selenium. Automating the web UI with Selenium beyond simple Selenium code constructs. Selenium Syllabus. Introducing WebDriver and web elements, finding elements, working with Selenium API, synchronizing tests, working with alerts, frames, and windows. Selenium Syllabus. Exception handling different available WebDriver's, understanding WebDriver events, dealing with I/O, automating Excel file operations, automating text file operations, automating database operations. Selenium Syllabus. What is TestNG? Data-driven testing using the page object model, extending Selenium behavior-driven development, integration with other tools Maven and Jenkins. Selenium Syllabus. Cross-browser testing, understanding Selenium grid testing applications on mobile browsers, Git and Log4j.